Good morning everyone. It's almost 8:40 a.m. in the morning and it's -6 degrees outside and it's snowing. We are not expecting it to snow today, but it snowed. And we are going to have French toast for breakfast today. Anyway, we are leaving this cabin around 11 a.m. to our next apartment back in Calgary. Before that, I'm reading the guest book. It's very interesting because they wrote their experience while staying in the cabin. Some even have drawings. This is nice. The fireplace. Okay, so Liz wrote something and I draw this Malayan and our glorious Singapore flag. Okay, so we'll see you guys in Calgary. Oh, there's a picture. A wonderful place here, and we're going to miss the cabin. So time to go. Okay, shall we?
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh! My butt is icy. Okay.
Shall we do the bird box thing?
How are we gonna drive?
I think we need to pour hot water.
So you want me? Okay. Right now we are in this situation. Faiz trying to find a solution, and we actually pouring water, normal water, onto the windscreen, and now the ice away. Woo! Awesome! Pity him that he has to do this in a -4 degree. Smart water. We never expect to, come across that situation. Our first time in a country with snow. So I think the next time if we're going for a road trip, we will be prepared. We actually Google how to clear off the ice from our windshield.
Now we are going back to Calgary. Off we go. And we are back in Johnston Canyon to this coffee house because we need some hot drinks. Yesterday and today is totally different. You can see there's snow everywhere. Okay, let's get inside. So we got our chai latte and let's go. Oops.
Oh, wow.
It's snowing again. It's totally different from yesterday when we came to this place, and today everything is snowy. The snow is very thick.
Nak I buat snowing dia kat sini.
You want?
I want.
Okay. Snow angel.
Take gambar cepat.
Okay. Okay, we are leaving Johnston Canyon now and to Calgary. Wow. To Calgary, 150 km will take us about 1 hour and 53 minutes. This will be our apartment for the next 2 nights. Okay, buckle up and let's go.